Hey y'all, I decided to try that viral cottage cheese flatbread thing. You've probably seen the recipe. All it is 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese and 2 eggs and a tablespoon of whatever seasoning you like, and you blend it up until it's liquefied, about 15 to 20 seconds in a food processor. And then you pour it out onto a cookie sheet lined with parchment that has been spray it well with olive oil. And then you bake it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. So mine came out exactly like the recipe said. It was very pliable. It was very easy to make a sandwich with, but I'm going to tell you, I was not terribly impressed. It didn't necessarily taste like eggs, and it didn't taste like cottage cheese, but it did have a sour weirdness to it that I wasn't really thrilled about. It was really fragile, so I wasn't able to really roll it, but I was able to fold it in half and use it kind of like a pita or a tortilla. So overall, I'm glad I tried it, but my final review on this is that it's really not worth the effort. You can get egg wraps or low-carb tortillas at half the effort of what you put into having to make these things from scratch and clean up the mess behind it. So I'd say, yeah, go ahead and try it if you're interested in it, just to give it a go. But for me, it's going to be a no.